Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. After you open the application, you should see the My Day page in it. Now tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down and tap on the Garmin devices. On this page you should see your Vivosmart 5 on the list of the devices connected to your phone. Now tap on Vivosmart 5. On this page tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner and then tap on Remove Device. Tap on Remove and then tap on the Settings. This should redirect you to the Connected Devices menu, and here check if you have the Vivosmart 5 on the list of devices connected to your phone. If it is here, tap on the Settings icon next to it, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device to completely disconnect it from your phone. And once you're done, you can close the settings. And at this point, the smartband is unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair the smartband from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.